Oh guys, nothing too exciting. So I just spent most of yesterday burning that stump out. So I got it all burnt out. Moved some of the coals up to that next stump, so I've just relit that again. Probably got about an eighth of the way through it, and just started cutting around this one, so it filled up that previous hole. Cooled the hole off as well. There's a lot of steam coming up, so in a couple of roots. There's also a star picket there, so let's see if my star picket puller will reach down there. Pretty well got that one, I don't know, about a foot below ground level. Hoping I can do the same with this one. I don't know how this one's going to go. She's got some big meaty roots on it. Especially that back one there, it's probably about a foot and 1¼ foot thick. So we'll see how this one goes. Like I said, I just relit it. It was still warm, hot to the touch, so a few logs, you know, bit of shit, bits of deadfall and stuff, and then just hit it with the map gas. So yeah, nothing too exciting last few days. Jumped online yesterday, did all my induction stuff that I needed to make a start on, so gotten all that done. So just quietly enjoying the last few days. Well, I've still got a week at home, so but yeah, I've managed to clear out a fair bit of those little piles that I had everywhere. Just been pulling from that one now. I'm just getting any deadfall that's sort of laying around the place and just feeding it into the fire. Been getting little showers here and there overnight and early this morning, so it's like really cold now. Feels like it's about 10 degrees. Still no news on the mower part, so I think we've got to go over that way this morning, so I'll probably stop in and see if that the brake brackets arrived. And I'll order rings and stuff while I'm there, because that'll be a few weeks before those arrive. I'm only going out for a week of work next week, so it'll be week on, week off. More money. But yeah, it's just been a few lazy little days at home. Just keeping busy burning this, and yeah, I might try and get over to the tail drive shaft place and see if they've got any CV joints in stock. That'll be a good little video that somebody might be able to use. Just building one of them and installing it and stuff. So yeah, other than that, not much is going on. So I will catch you later.